Who wins the next-gen console war? PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X. Let's break it down fast. Gamers argue every year. First, performance. Both use AMD Zen 2 CPUs. Xbox clocks a bit higher. Xbox GPU hits about 12 teraflops. PS5 around 10.28 teraflops. On paper, Xbox wins the numbers game. But most games look and play almost identical. Storage is next. PS5's custom SSD is lightning fast. Xbox gives more space out of the box. Faster loads on PS5 help open-world games. Exclusives matter. PS5 rules cinematic, story-driven hits. God of War, Spider-Man. Xbox fights back with Game Pass value. Hundreds of games, day one releases included. Forza, Halo. Controller, what's the difference? DualSense changes the game with haptics. Xbox Pad, classic, comfy, reliable. Bottom line, PS5 for jaw-dropping exclusives and immersion. Xbox gives variety and subscription value. Game Pass is a killer subscription for value. Tell us which side you're on. Team PlayStation or Team Xbox? Vote in the comments and subscribe.